Hey, listen, you want to make $250,000 selling health insurance? I'm about to show you how.
Look, insurance sucks. I just make it suck less.
Check this out. So, for the example, we are using a policy total, right? This is a bundle of $550 a month, right? This is the reason why I used $550 was I took a 40-year-old couple, okay, male, female, 40-year-old couple. It was in their 40s, might have been 40, might have been 41, but right around 40, okay? And 550 was a good number with a decent bundle. If you look on the exchange, actually, you would find, and I'm going to do this live for you guys right now, you would find, see what the ACA premium would be. I know it's a whole lot more. Let's do 40-year-old male, 40-year-old female. And I'm using my zip code, right? So your state may vary, of course. But if you were to look on the ACA, the cheapest plan is $658. Now, we know that that's an unsubsidized plan. We know that that's a plan with no cost savings or anything. We know that that's going to kind of change a little bit, but that doesn't deter me from going after this type of business, and here's why, right? It's the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the numbers, right? That ACA policy, if I sold that exact policy, I would make about $20 per member per month. So that'd be about $40 per member per month, which is, what is that? 40 times 12. I'm going to use a calculator. $480. Okay, that would be $480 on that policy. The policy that I'm about to show you is $1,620 a month worth of commission. I'm sorry, not a month worth of commission. Total commission, right? So the total policy is $550 a month. This is made up of a short-term medical. That would be $450. And I use round numbers, of course. So the short-term medical would be $450. This would be an accident, hospital supplement, okay, would be $50. And again, use nice round numbers. And then a critical illness policy, another $50. Okay, so total of $550. The commission on the short-term medical. So again, when we look at this is assuming that this is a healthy family. They're not qualified for a subsidy. These do exist out there in the marketplace, right? You will, if you ever heard the saying, you'll get what you're looking for, right? You will find what you're looking for. If you go out looking for this, right, you will find it, I promise you. So $450 a month. The short-term medical commission is 20%. We're just going to use like street level or close there too. Your commission might vary. 30%, okay, on the accident supplement, and 60% commission on the CI. There are critical illness policies that pay way more. Again, I just used modest, nice round numbers, so 20%, 30%, and 60%. So the commissions that you would get, let me erase this real quick. So the commissions you would see on this policy would be, the total commission here would be $1,080. Total commission here, $180. Total commission here, $360. Now, it is worth noting, okay, that ACA policy that I told you I would make $480 on, I could absolutely increase that by selling a critical illness and an accident policy. You don't always need the short-term medical, right? This is just a kind of a perfect case scenario where the short-term medical was a better fit for the client than the ACA plan. But this short-term medical, again, 20%, $450, $1,080 by itself in commission. Okay, and if it's better for the client and it's better for your pocket, why would you not do it, right? This right here would be a good supplement to add on to an ACA policy. So you're taking your income on that particular sale from $480 to close to $1,000 or just over $1,000 on the supplements. Okay, but if you do this, there's 52 weeks in a year, right? There's 52 weeks in a year. If you could sell 3 policies in a week, that's kind of the example that I had set for me when I started my first year in insurance. Made $110 as a broker, made $110,000 because there was an example set forth of 3 policies a week. Okay, 3 clients a week, selling them 3 policies each, just like this. So a total of 9 policies in that entire week. That's not that hard to do, right? You got 3 deals, 3 clients, 3 apps each, total of 9, would net you like $2,000. And I focused on that, and that's what I did, right? So if you focus on this, this is what you can do. 26 weeks, okay, selling this times 3. Now times 3, you're looking at $4,860 in a week. So the question, how much money can I make as an insurance agent? A whole lot, right? $4,860. If you could just do that 26 weeks out of the year, there's 52 weeks. So if just half the time, you can hit your goal of 3 clients a week. And you can find these people while you're writing ACA business too. Don't get confused. You just have to be able to, hey, one of these videos will do my 2-way street approach. I'd love to teach on that. That 2-way street approach is a simple approach to either this way or that way. There's no in between, right? We're either going the private market or we're going ACA, and that's it. And I'll tell you some of the identifying factors. But when it comes to this, you got $4,860 in total commission. Again, if you can do this 26 weeks out of 52, just half the time, you're looking at $126,360 for the year, okay, annually. That's phenomenal. That's going to give you a really good base of clients, a good base for your book of business that you can then build on, cross-sell. You can easily take this income to $250,000 the following year. But if you could hit this 50 weeks out of the year, okay, and again, this is an average because some weeks maybe you sell 5 during open enrollment, maybe you sell 10 just like this, okay, set up just like this. You would hit, if you hit 50 weeks, okay, 50 weeks out of the year, you're able to hit this number. That is $243,000. It was some change, but I'll just do $243,000 a year by selling 3 policies. That's $550, just like this, made up just like this. Now, again, there's going to be variables here. Sometimes it's going to be more, sometimes it's going to be less. Sometimes you're going to sell 2 policies instead of 3. It depends. But if we can use this as a baseline, right, and we can hit this 50 weeks out of the year, 2 weeks, that gives you 2 weeks off too, right? I was going to do 52 weeks because some of us don't ever take weeks off. Just kidding, not take some weeks off. So I did 50 weeks, and you're looking at $243,000 for the year. So is there money in health insurance? I don't know. You tell me.
I'm a health insurance hustler. Bradley Hannon's the name. I'm here to teach these agents how to play the game. I'm a health insurance hustler. One thing you should know about me, I'm a health insurance hustler. BradHannon.com.